If I ask people what they wanted more of, many would probably say money. And that's understandable. Money helps us pay bills, support our families, create opportunities. But the older I get, the more I realize that the most valuable things in life cannot be purchased, no matter how much money we have. Money is important. Let's be honest about that. It gives us options. It gives us security. It can make life easier in many ways. But there are some things money will never be able to provide. Money cannot buy time. Every person receives the same 24 hours each day, no matter how wealthy or successful they are. Once time passes, it never returns, which is why how we spend our time matters so much. Money cannot buy genuine relationships. It can attract attention, it can create opportunities, but real friendship, real love, real trust must be earned. Money can't buy peace. We've all seen people who have everything financially, yet still struggle internally. Peace comes from something deeper, from gratitude, purpose, faith, and learning to be content with what we already have. As I look back on my own life, the moments I treasure most were not expensive moments. They were simple moments, family gatherings, meaningful conversations, shared laughter, quiet memories. And those memories continue to grow in value over time. Money is a useful tool, but it is not life's greatest treasure because the most valuable things in life cannot be bought. They must be appreciated, protected, and lived.